Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm at Burlington. Thank you so much for your support. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate all your support. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, vacation. This two-piece set screams vacation. Look at that. Interesting floral two-piece set. Yeah, let me take it here so you can see it clearly. I love what I'm seeing here. Look. Really good. And these are priced together for just $16.99. Isn't that a deal? Okay, vacation. Look, they have lots of, look at that. This is by H&M. For, you get this for, oh, store price, please give me store price. Store price is not on this, and these are from H&M. They are H&M, and they have more. Look at this. Yeah, H&M. I believe it's the same price. This is $3.99. H&M. $3.99. H&M. $3.99. H&M. Okay. More H&M. Look what we got here. Look. Yeah, beach wears. Look. This is 3-in-1. You can never go wrong. $16.99. They are priced together. Yeah. Look. This is good throw-on for $9.99. Yeah. Look at this one by GC Culture. Right. And this one is priced together for $16.99. Interesting two-piece set. And look what we got here. They are very good sets. Okay. Let me take you. Look. Swimsuits. Very good swimsuit. High quality. Alright. If you are looking for very good quality swimsuits, right, come to Burlington. $19.99. And this is by, let me tell you, this is by Tommy. And this was $98. $98. This is a thing. It's a thing. High quality. Look at this. This one, look, $24.99. And this was $119. Tell me, why wouldn't you? This is so good. And here is another one. Look what we got here. If you want to know the type of handbag they have in the store, please keep watching. Don't go away. This one is $16.99. Perfect for your vacation. Okay. Look at that. I'm trying to get the value. It's not here. The quality is excellent. Okay. The quality is excellent. Let me know if you want me to show you swimwears. All right. It's all about that season. We are coming to that. Seriously, they are bringing them out. Let me know. $11.19. This is a good two-piece set. I got something like this last year from Burlington. Okay, this is another set. Vibrant. For $12.99. You can never go wrong. That's something. Look, if you don't want to review too much, this is for you. This is for you. This is for you. $9.99 for my girlies that don't want to expose too much. And look what we got here. Interesting sets. Look at that. All right. Look at that. This is available in big sizes. And that's what I love. $14.99. And this is a good throw-on for $9.99. See what we have here. This is available in 3X. In 3X. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's $14.99. Come with me to handbag section. Hey. Welcome. I'm at Burlington. Let's quickly see what they have here at handbag section. Let's see. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Yeah, this is by Michael Kors and $124.99. And here we have this bag. This is by DKNY. And let's see, 42.99. And here is another shoulder bag by Michael Kors, 109.99. And we have this one by Guess, and this one is stock price for this is not high, and this one by Guess for 39.99. Okay, and here is this interesting traveling bag. This can serve as a gym bag for this one is on sale for 34.79. And yeah, let's see. The music is somehow loud here, I don't know. Okay, look at this bag. This is by CK for 59.99. And this floral one, tote bag, I love the size. Look, this one is by CK, and this is 59.99. I am looking at very interesting one. Look, these are same size as the CK one. This is by DKNY. It looks very different. And look at that, 42.99. Interesting. Okay. And let me see if I can. Up here is this traveling bag by Jessica Joy. Interesting velvet for 37.99, and this was $108. It's a good deal right there. Okay. And beside here are more bags. Okay. Look at this one. This is by CK for 69.99. CK, they make very good bags. Okay. And here we have this raffia and leather bag by Nye West, and this one is $19.99. Yeah, it's a good deal. Behind is this tote bag by Guess. I don't know, they are, look, they are held. I don't want to spoil anything here. This one is 42.99, and this is the same one we saw. This one is more, well structured, and this was 198, and today you get it for 69.99. I love the color combination on this one. It's a very good shoulder bag. Yeah, perfect for work. All right, let me show you what I'm looking at here. Look what I'm seeing. This is interesting by Steve Madden. Yeah, colorful backpack. And this is on sale for $22.39. You can't beat that. This was $88. Interesting. Oh, that's so cool. Your high schooler will thank you for that. Trust me. Look at this. Okay. Interesting. If you like my type of video, give me a thumbs up. Let's go to shoe section. Come with me. I'm at Burlington. Look at that. Yeah, shoe section. Let's see. They have colorful footwears. Look at these. This is $22.99. Yeah. Yeah. In different sizes, same price, okay? Very colorful, right? If you are all about this, come to Burlington. Look, Karl Lagerfeld. All right, this one is $34.99. And let's see. Yeah. Look at this. $19.99. I saw MS dupe here the last time I was in the store, but I couldn't lay my hands on it in my size. I'll see if I'll see it today. This one is $14.99. Okay, see what I'm talking about? Yeah, I saw it last time. I'm looking for this. If I see it in size 8.5, I'll jump in. Yeah, $14.99. $14.99. It's well made, well padded. Look at that. Well made. Well made. I have something like this, yeah, from Steve Madden. And here we have these mesh sandals for 34.99. Okay. All right. Here we have this mesh flat in size 8. This is by DKNY. And this one is 29.99. Look what we got here. 14.99. Okay. Yeah. And then here we have this one in 8.5. Look. 26.99. And we have this Reebok. Almost all brands, they're on this style. Look, very classic for 29.99. I'm on a hunt for a very big bow flat. Look at this. This is not big enough, but this is stripes. If you are all about this trend, come to Burlington. All right. If you like my type of video, give me a thumbs up. $14.99. You see, this is even, look at this, it's getting better. Very good. Classy for $29.99. All right. Clean sneakers, classic sneakers. If you are all about that trend, come to Burlington. Okay. I'm about to end this video. Let me know what you think. If you want me to take you to other section, let me know in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. As I always say, please, by doing that, you motivate me to keep showing you all these interesting deals. Okay, thank you so much for your support. Until next time I come your way, bye for now.